Hello students, this is Muzna ma'am and I am going to teach the first lesson of Standard 5 English Grammar. So take out your books and just follow me. Your first topic is adjectives, interrogative and emphasizing. All of you know that adjectives are words that modify or describe people, places, things or ideas. In other words, adjectives modify nouns, or you can say adjectives answer questions like which one, what kind or how many. In book 4, you were told about 3 kinds of adjectives. They are qualitative, quantitative and demonstrative. Today we shall learn about 2 more kinds of adjectives. They are interrogative and emphasizing. So let us first learn about interrogative adjective. Interrogatives are adjectives that modify nouns when there is a question about which one, what kind or how many. Interrogative means to question. The WH words like what, whose and which are common interrogative adjectives. Now let us see some examples in your textbook. Take out page number 7. Example A. Which part of the world do you come from? Here, which qualifies the noun part and also asks a question. B. What gifts did you get on your birthday? Here, what qualifies the noun gifts and also it asks a question. C. Whose books are those on the table? Here, whose qualifies the noun books and also it asks a question. Another important thing I want to discuss with you. Just listen to me carefully. Many times students get confused and commit errors in differentiating between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun because both of them start with interrogative words or WH words like what, which, etc. So you should always remember that interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns have almost same set of words. So we should understand their use properly. Both are similar, but unlike interrogative pronouns, interrogative adjectives cannot stand independently. Interrogative adjectives are used to support nouns and pronouns, whereas interrogative pronouns are used to replace nouns. We can differentiate between interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns by seeing what follows them. Interrogative adjectives are followed by nouns, while verbs are seen to be following interrogative pronouns. So now let us discuss some examples. I will give you some examples so that you can understand it clearly. I am telling the sentences, listen carefully. Which book is yours? In this sentence, which is the interrogative adjective which is qualifying the noun book. So here, which is interrogative adjective. Another sentence, which is your book? Here, after which there is no noun. In first sentence, after which there is a noun, that is book. So, but in this sentence, after which there is no noun, there is a helping verb is. It means here which is not an interrogative adjective, it is interrogative pronoun. Another sentence, what color is your hair? What is the interrogative adjective? Because immediately after that there is a noun, that is color. So here what is qualifying the noun color? So here what is interrogative adjective? What is the color of your hair? Here after what there is no noun, again there is a helping verb, that is. It means here what is the interrogative pronoun. Are you clear? Now let us move to emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing adjectives lay stress on the preceding noun. The words used to emphasize a noun are called emphasizing adjectives. We use these emphasizing adjectives to say or do with strong emotion or action, or you can say to heighten or lower the effect of what we say. Absolute, very, total and own are the most commonly used emphasizing adjectives which are used to emphasize some idea. Now let us see the examples given in the book. Bit number D. What the man said was absolute rubbish. Here the word absolute qualifies the noun rubbish. It has been used to emphasize or put stress on the worthlessness of what the man said. It was not only rubbish but absolute rubbish. Similarly, the second sentence you see, Rita came late and had to stand at the very end of the line. Here this sentence tells us that Rita came late and had to stand not only at the end of the line but at the very end of it. Here the word very qualifies the noun and in another sentence, the book was a total failure for only a few people bought it. This sentence describes how great a failure the book was. It was not just a failure, it was a total failure. The word total qualifies the noun failure. In last sentence, Jack built this house with his own hands. Here the speaker wants to make it clear how hard Jack had worked to build the house. So the word own, though not necessary, has been used for the sake of emphasis and qualifies the noun hands. Sometimes adjectives are used not to heighten but to lower the effect of what the noun it qualifies would make us expect. See the example H. After the storm, there was a slight fall in the temperature. Here it says that the temperature did not fall as much as expected. After the storm, there was only a slight fall. Similarly, the next sentence you see, when she heard the good news, she gave a feeble smile. Here in this sentence, the smile is only feeble. She did not express as much joy as the good news as was expected. Are you clear? Now let us discuss the exercises. So take out your pencil and write down the answers beside the sentences, questions. Okay. Mention of what kind each of the underlined adjective is. Number 1. Do not listen to what Ravi says, for he is a complete fool, said Rohan. Complete, the word complete is underlined here. This is emphasizing adjective because it is qualifying the noun fool. Kiran is a great supporter of non-violence. Here, the underlined word great is an emphasizing adjective and it is qualifying the noun supporter. Question number 3. What crime has the prisoner committed? Asked the judge. In this sentence, what is the interrogative adjective and it is qualifying the noun crime. Question number 4. Aurangzeb had his own father Shah Jahan imprisoned in the Agra fort. In this sentence, the underlined word own is emphasizing adjective. Qualifying the noun father. Question number 5. The play was an utter failure and the actors were booed by the audience. Here the underlined word utter is an emphasizing adjective and it is qualifying the noun failure. Question number 6. Whose book is that lying on the table? Here the underlined word whose is an interrogative adjective qualifying the noun book. Question number 7. He spent his entire fortune and built a hospital for the villagers. In this sentence, entire is emphasizing adjective qualifying the noun fortune. Question number 8. The simple truth is that Jim cannot run as fast as he thinks. Here, the underlined word simple is an emphasizing adjective qualifying the noun truth. Question number 9. What he said is an outright lie and he should be punished severely for it. Here, the underlined word outright is an emphasizing adjective and it is qualifying the noun lie. And last, question number 10. Which game are you best at? Asked Javed. Here, the underlined word which is an interrogative adjective qualifying the noun game. Okay? Over, children. So we have finished the first lesson of your book. I hope you all have understood it and note down the exercise in your copy. Okay, children. Then stay at home, stay safe and take care. Bye.